Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting a Facebook page for your business now. Begin by picking business or brand and the precise category so Facebook shows the right audience. Next, upload a clear profile photo and an 820 by 312 cover image to look professional. Once done, complete the About section with address, hours, phone, website, and set a primary CTA button. This guides visitors to call, book, or shop immediately. You'll now configure tools that turn the page into a sales channel. Pin a clear offer post, add 3 featured photos, and plan a content calendar for 2-3 weekly posts. Make sure messaging is enabled with instant replies so leads don't wait. Integrate appointment or booking actions if relevant. Finally, connect Meta Business Suite, link Instagram, set up Ads Manager, and install the Facebook Pixel to track conversions and improve ad targeting over time. You're ready to publish and promote. Post your pinned offer and boost one post with a small $5 to $20 test budget to validate messaging. Monitor insights weekly. Watch reach, engagement, CTR, and new page likes to decide what scales. If something breaks, troubleshoot by confirming page verification and roles, clearing browser or app cache, and rechecking linked accounts. If ads fail, review Pixel events and payment method to get back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.